welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn about the control statements. Already we have learned about the conditional control statement. So now today let's learn about the iterative or looping statements. So here we use these when we want to repeat a process. So if we want to repeat a same block of code again and again in the program, we use these loops. So what are the advantages of this? Let's see. So it reduces the length of the program. Obviously, when we avoid writing again and again that block of code, what it happens, the length of the program will be decreased and the performance of the program will be increased. Those two are the advantages of the looping statements. So it increases the performance of program by eliminating rewriting of the cyclic process. So there are two types of loops in Python, that is for loop and while loop. So let's see the for loop syntax and its program. So here in for loop the syntax is for control variable in source. So we write some here statements that has to be executed. So I have taken a small example to understand this syntax, that is cars. I have taken a list for I in cars. So for each element it will go and check. So for I, so this is the control variable I have written here. So I is the control variable and cars is the source. So I is the control variable and source is this. So from each car it will print the output. So for I, so control variable in source. So what is the source? Car is the source. So here it will go. Again it will print the cars, that is Audi. So it will print Audi. Okay. So again it will repeat, still the elements are there. So again it will go. Again it will print BMW. Again it will go. Again the control will go to for cars. So here the output will be Audi, BMW and Hyundai. Now again it will go for I in cars. So here there is end of list. So here it will stop. So still here it will print and it will stop. So I will give you another example. So here we can write in range also. That is another example. I will explain that also. Till where I want to print. So let's take dynamic input. What the user wants, till where the user wants, let's take first. So here n is equals to integer. So these are numbers, right? So we will take integer and input, right? Enter and value, right? So after this we are gonna write the loop for I in, what you will write here. So we don't have any limitation, we don't have a list, right? For n natural numbers, when I want to take n from the user, and what I'm going to write is for I in range. So here there is a function called range comes in the thing. So natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3 and so on n. So what is the starting point? N. And here the ending point is n. But I am going to write here n plus 1. So why n plus 1? Because I here n plus 1 means whatever here, if you give 1 and 9, this will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Till only 8 it will print. 9 will not get printed. So here what I am getting, till 8 only I am getting. So to print till 9, what I have to give? Plus 1. So this will become 10 and it will print 9 also. So that is why I am giving n plus 1. So that it will print till n. So that's the reason why I am giving n plus 1. We will print that I, whatever is there, and I is equals to I plus 1. So that we have to increment, right? We don't want to stop here. You want to increment the loop. So here, if I give here 5, what happens? N is equals to 5. So here it will go 5. It will print 5. It will go here. Cut. Again. So for here I have given here 5. So first let's see, the loop starts from here. So for I in range 1. So first the starting point is 1. So print 1. Yes, I plus 1. That will is 2. So 2 will again go here in I. So 2 is in range. Is this in range? So here there is 5 plus 1, which is 6. So is it in range? Yes. So again it will print this 2. So here I plus 1, 2 plus 1, that will become 3. So is 3 in the range? Yes. So it will print again 3. So again it will go here 4. Yeah, is 4 in the range? Yes, it will print 4. Yeah, again 4. 4 plus 1, which is 5. Yeah, it is 5. Again it is in range. Yes, it will print 5. Again it will go here, it is 6. I is in 6. It is not, because it will get back, because it is minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got all the digits here. Yeah. So that's how you will write the for loop. So here the basically what happens means n plus 1. So actually it will be n minus 1, right? So the range function will be starting point, start, and it will be the n minus 1. So when you add 1, n minus 1 plus 1, so it will give you n. So here we got n. So n is in the range, get. It will give 6. 6 is in the range, no. So this will be your answer. So this is how for loop function. So this is how the for loop function. So let's see while loop. So let's see the while loop. So while loop, the syntax is while, condition and the looping statements. So why we use here condition means to control the repetition. If we don't know where to stop or how many times the block has to be repeated, the block of code will be again and again repeated and it will give you an undesired output. So that's why we use the condition. So I'm taking the same example, that is to print natural numbers. So natural numbers means 1, 2, so on, n. So I'm going to take n from the user, that is n. So we have to take the dynamic input, int of input, enter n value. Okay. So here I am initializing I is equals to 1 because it is starting at 1. You can take I, X, your wish. So here anything you can take. These are all the variables. These are not any constants, right? So whatever wish you can take. So many people I have seen that if in the program it is written as I, they only take I. No, you can take any variable in place of anything, but you have to keep in mind the variables must be, I have already made the video on how the variables must be assigned or initialized. So see that video. So here I am going to write the condition, the loop. So while. So what is the condition means? From I to n, right? From I to n. So for suppose I want to print from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what's the condition? It must be in this range, right? So in the range of n. So what I will write means I should be less than n. So obviously I is lesser than n. Is I less than 5? Yes. So I must be less than n, or it can be equal to n. Yeah, so till 5 you want, right? So it must be equal to n. So that's why I have taken equal to. If you write here only this, only till 4 it will be printed, but I want 5 also, so I am keeping here equal to. So keep your semicolon, print I, and you have to increment it. So for incrementing, I is equals to I plus 1. That's it. So if I take here 3, so n is equals to 3, I is equals to 1, while I, that is 1, lesser than or equals to 3. Is it lesser than or equal to 3? Yes. So print I 1. I plus 1, 2. It will store here. It will store here. So I is now 2. So 2 is lesser than or equals to 3? Yes, it will print here. So again it will go and increment to 3. Again it will change to 3. 3 is lesser than or equals to 3? Yes. It will go here. It will be 4. 4 is less than or equals to n? No. So the loop will stop and the output will be this 1, 2, 3. So the cyclic process will be seen like this. So this is the while loop. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.